Right now, as you stand there, your head is aging faster than your feet. Not metaphorically, not philosophically, but physically. At this very second, your skull and your heels are experiencing time at different speeds. And the disturbing part is this: every cell in your body exists in a slightly different now. A theory Einstein proposed over a century ago has now been confirmed by atomic clocks. Even a difference of 1 millimeter in height changes the flow of time. So the question is, if there is no single universal present moment inside your body, then what exactly are you? Most people imagine time as a river, stable, continuous, the same for everyone. But the universe has never worked that way. In Einstein's General Relativity, time is not a background stage. It is something that can stretch, compress, and warp. Mass bends space-time, the way a bowling ball sinks into a trampoline. Earth may not be as extreme as a black hole, but it is still constantly distorting the structure of reality around us. The closer you are to Earth's center, the stronger gravity becomes, and the slower time flows, which means your feet are slightly closer to Earth's core than your head, so they experience time a little more slowly. Sounds insignificant? It isn't, because modern atomic clocks are now precise enough to detect nanosecond differences across just a few centimeters of height, and those differences accumulate over your lifetime. Imagine two people. One lives at sea level, the other lives high in the mountains. Who ages faster? The answer is the person on the mountain, because farther from Earth, gravity is weaker and time moves faster. This phenomenon is called gravitational time dilation. It sounds like science fiction, but GPS satellites correct for this effect every single day. Without Einstein's equations, your phone's navigation system would drift by kilometers daily, which means the reason your maps work is because engineers had to accept that time itself is unstable. And the same thing is happening inside your body. From your heels to the top of your head, roughly 1.7 meters of height difference. That tiny distance is enough for your head to experience more time than your feet over the course of your life, meaning you are not a perfectly synchronized organism. You are a slowly diverging time system. In 2010, researchers at NIST, the National Institute of Standards and Technology, performed an experiment. They placed two ultra-precise atomic clocks, just 33 centimeters apart in height. The result? The higher clock actually ticked faster, not theoretically, measured. As technology improved, things became even stranger. By 2024, new optical lattice clocks became so accurate, they could detect time differences across a single millimeter. 1 millimeter. Think about that. It means that every time you lift your foot, your body enters a slightly different layer of time. And the unsettling part is this: those differences never disappear. They accumulate. If a person lives for 70 years, their head will have experienced tens of nanoseconds more time than their feet. Still sounds tiny? Remember this: a nanosecond is enough time for light to travel several feet. The universe is far more sensitive to time than human intuition can comprehend. And suddenly, a disturbing conclusion emerges. An object cannot remain perfectly synchronized with itself. If time flows differently inside our bodies, why do we never notice? Because your brain is essentially a synchronization illusion machine. Neural signals already take time to travel. Vision, sound, touch, they all arrive at different speeds. Your brain constantly edits and stitches these delays together into a seamless reality. In other words, the present moment you experience is already a reconstructed simulation. And on an even deeper level, quantum biology suggests that cells themselves may constantly adapt to local variations in time. Your body is not a perfectly unified object. It is more like a federation of microscopic clocks. Every organ, every cell, every molecule, all existing in slightly different temporal zones. And suddenly, the question becomes philosophical. If there is no single shared now across your body, then what exactly is the self? Are you truly one coherent being? Or are you merely a collection of processes temporarily glued together by time? By 2026, optical lattice clocks had become
By
even more
2046, of
precise.
optical true clocks was
Scientists
once
can
again
now
surpassed.
begin mapping
Scientists are now
tiny
even
time
able to
gradients across an entire room. Visual, different colors representing varying time flow. Meaning, one day, we may literally observe that time near the ceiling flows differently than time near the floor. Time is no longer just a number on a clock. It becomes a landscape, an invisible terrain, a fluid surrounding everything we are. And we are living inside that flowing ocean of time. Even aging must now be redefined. We once assumed that age increases uniformly. Now we know aging is local. Your body has never fully existed within a single moment. Perhaps the most astonishing realization is not that time slows down, but that we have always lived inside this distortion without ever noticing it. Your head reaches the future before your feet do. Every step you take creates a tiny separation between you and your own past. We think we are standing still on solid ground, but in reality, we are biological creatures, moving continuously through gradients of time. Slowly, constantly, irreversibly. Maybe humans were never stable beings at all. Maybe we are simply walking time machines, gradually drifting apart from ourselves.